Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change notification access permissions in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for these settings? For this setting, we need to go to settings, then we are looking for applications menu, apps, here it is. Then at the top we have three button menu right here, and then special access. And here we have our notification access. So we can change what we need here. Simply tap it once. As you can see, we have an explanation here or a warning. Yes, allow. And now this application will have access to our notifications. And that's basically it. No need to save backup. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.